If you want to set your photo or picture as a keyboard theme on the Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening Settings. Now you have to scroll all the way down and navigate for additional settings. And right now you have to go for Languages and Input. Then go to the current keyboard, to the Manage Keyboards. Go to the Gboard and now go for Theme. Now click on the plus at the top. And here, as you can see, you can find all of your photos gallery. So in my case, let's get, for example, this photo. Now we can also pinch to scale like that. Let's say I want to pick this part of the photo. Click next. Now you can set the brightness of the photo, basically the transparency. I will go like this. And when you click done, you can also turn on and off the key borders. So when you actually turn off key borders, you can see this picture more, better. Now click apply, and as you can see, we successfully did it.